this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror your Motorola phone to your TV. And I'm using a Motorola Stylus 5G. And what I want to do is simply swipe down from the top right. Now, the most important thing is to connect to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV on your phone, so the two can communicate to each other and discover each other. So here's my Wi-Fi option. I'm going to hold down on it and connect on my phone. And I'm going to connect to the same 5G network or 2.4 or whatever you're using as your TV. So if you don't do that, you're not going to be able to find your TV from your phone. Now, on this phone, I can swipe down from the top right, and there should be a button icon on here called Screencast, Screen Mirror, Smart View, or there could be something completely different on the newer version of Motorola that's not labeled Screencast for some reason. So we can just tap this, and my Google TV and my living room TV using Plex pops up right away. So I can just tap this and I can go to start now and I can start screen mirroring, and it's very easy and effective. So most Android phones have this option to screen mirror just simply as a button, and you can look in the Google Play Store for some screen mirroring options like Miracast or something like that. Then also you have something called Google TV in the Google folder right here. If I go to Google TV, I can connect and use my TV as a remote here as well. So if I disconnect, you can see I have two TVs nearby. I can connect and start controlling my TV. Now, I believe in the past I was able to use this as a screen mirroring option as well, but I'm not sure where that option went. So I can use this to pretty much just screen everything in here. Otherwise, you have to go to Google Home. So if we go back to the Google folder, there should be an option called Google Home in here. And once we select it here, if not, we're going to have to go to the Play Store and download it. So with Google Home, we should be able to control and screen mirror our phone over there. So let's go to Google Home. Let's just type in Home and then go to here. Here's Google Home. Looks like I don't have it installed, so it doesn't come installed on every Google device. And once you have this installed, there should be an option in here to screen mirror as well. So if you don't have that button, we can check this out. So let's go ahead and get started, and then you have to set up your Google device. So if you got like a Google TV, a Chromecast, or something like that, and then we can go to OK, and set up your home, and then we can turn on Bluetooth, allow this, and then go to next. So if you wanted to access your location, and just make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi too, and your TV is also, and whatever streaming device you're using, your Chromecast, whatever, and then just set it up. So if you got like a Chromecast through here, we can just try to find it. Google TV, Chromecast, it's plugged in, looking for devices nearby. So it can be a little bit more complicated doing this method because it's going to ask you a bunch of questions. It's more Google's overall thing just to set up everything, plug in your device and go to next, looking for devices. So for some reason it didn't find it before, even though I'm connected to the same network. But you can definitely try this out if everything else is not working. So let's just go to not now, and then we can just try to add it through here. So just look at Google Home, and then look at the screen mirror options. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below.